Hi my super sweet crafty friends, welcome to my channel Carolina's Creations Handmade. If you're new, please subscribe and click the bell button down below so you don't miss my videos. And today I want to share with you the tutorial for my nail file holder. I showed this to you on my craft fair ideas videos and you guys asked me for a tutorial, so I'm going to show you how to make it. I'm going to use nail files from the Dollar Tree. And we're going to start with a piece of cardstock that measures 2 by 11 inches. And we're going to score at 7 5/8. And as you can see, the nail file holder is not completely flat. So we're going to take that into account. And we're going to score at 7 3/8. So we leave a little width in there for the nail file holder to fit. Fold your score areas. And this is the base for your nail file holder. So you can see here how it will fit. And we're going to see here that our piece measures 7 3/8, our base. So we're going to need to cut a piece of decorative paper that measures 7 1/4 by 1 7/8. And that will leave us a little border. If you want it to be a little wider, just subtract 1/8 of an inch on both sides of the measurements I gave you for the decorative piece. So now you'll see we had the bottom that measures 3 3/8. So we're going to cut our decorative piece at 3 2/8. And that way we'll have the bottom and the top of our base. I'm going to use a Fiskars sponge here to round my corners. I'm going to round the top of my nail file holder. And then I'm going to also round the corners on my decorative paper. And once we have the corners rounded, you'll see here how they will fit, and you'll see how we'll have a border from the base that we show. And our bottom piece should fit there perfect also. This is so easy to make and is such a great item to sell at your craft fair. Now we're going to apply glue to the decorative paper. And we're going to glue it to the base of our nail file holders. So we're going to glue the top first. And I'm going to place it, make sure that it's right in place. And then I'm going to use my bone folder to burnish all around and make sure that the glue sets properly. And I'm going to apply glue to the bottom piece. And I'm going to glue it to my base. Make sure that you glue it matching the top of your decorative paper if your paper has a pattern. That way they will go seamlessly. As you see here, it's starting to look so cute already. And now we're going to use the envelope punch board. And I'm going to place my little base here. I'm going to place it at 2 2/8. And I'm going to punch. And then you'll see here, I'll keep it marked in there and I'll turn my piece around and punch again. And that should leave both punches on the same distance so they're all equal. And it's looking so super cute already. I just love this. So now I'm going to apply a fine line at the border there on the bottom part of my nail file holder so I can glue that area. And I'm only going to apply it to the area that is not punched. Then I'm going to fold it up and I'm going to glue it in place. I'm going to use my bone folder for most of it. I'm going to burnish most of it. But you're going to see, since the bottom has the 1/4 of an inch in there, we cannot just flatten it. So I'm going to use my fingers to keep that area pressed so the glue sets and we have it perfect. And this is how it should look. This is perfect also for Happy Mail or to give to your family, friends for Easter baskets too. So I'm going to use my crocodile here and I'm going to punch a hole on my nail file holder, and I'm going to use an eyelet from We Are Memory Keepers that I'm going to set on my hole. And I'm going to just place it and you see how it looks right in there. Super cute. And now I'm going to use some trim from Stampin' Up. This is twine and it's a coral twine. And I love it because it's not thin. It's actually thick. And I just love thick twine. So I'm going to fold a piece that measures around 8 inches. So it will give me a 4-inch piece. I'm going to cut in there. And then I'm going to knot over there at the ends. And once I make my little knot in there, I'm going to run the bottom of my piece, the one that has like the loop in there. I'm going to run it through the back of my nail file and push it through the eyelet. And then I'm going to bring the back and push it inside the little loop in there. And we'll have the little cord set in our nail file holder. I actually use my bone folder to open that area there since I glued it before on the sides. And now it fits super nice in there. So we're going to work on the little label. I actually am using a stamp set, and I'm not sure which company makes this because I got it from a friend and it didn't have a packaging. So I'm going to stamp it. I actually cut a little label there using a punch from EK Success, and I'm going to raise it using some foam dots. I recommend that you make them assembly style if you're going to mass produce. Cut all your pieces first and then put them all together and they will go in a breeze. And I'm going to use a die here from Pink and Main for the bow that I'm going to use to decorate my nail file holder. And I added a little mint color gem from Hobby Lobby to decorate the bow. And we're going to use a piece of cardstock that measures 2 1/4 by 2 inches. And we're going to score at 1 inch. And this is going to be for the packaging of our nail file holder. I don't have the clear back that I use right now, but I'm going to show you how I made this. I used this Stampin' Up! Punch to cut at the border there on my piece that I scored. And this is going to create kind of like a tab. And I'm going to use this tab for the top of my packaging. I'm going to add a little bow there to decorate, but before I do that, I actually place my little tab. I sandwich it in between the packaging, as you see me doing there. And then I'm going to use my mini stapler to attach it to my packaging. Then I'm going to place the bow to hide the little staple. And this is how it's going to look. So stinking adorable! I hope you guys like my tutorial and let me know in the comment section how you like it. I hope you guys are doing great. Welcome to all my new subscribers, and thank you so very much to all of you, my super sweet crafty friends, for your love and support. I hope you're having a great week, and I hope to see you back here soon for another video. Bye bye. Love you guys. Mwah.